Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Pokit Pro, the world's most portable all-in-one electrical measurement device. This tiny gadget claims to be a multimeter, oscilloscope, data logger, and more. That fits right in your pocket. Let's see what this compact device has to offer. Alright, let's open up the Pokit Pro and see what's inside the box. Inside the box, we have Pokit Pro device itself. Hard carrying case. A set of accessories probe clips. USB-C charging cable, and of course the user manual to get us started. And Pokit Pro engineering kit. First impressions. It's super compact, lightweight, and sleek. Perfect for on-the-go professionals, hobbyists, and even students. The build quality feels solid, and the integrated torch is a nice touch. Now let's talk about what this little powerhouse can do. The Pokit Pro is a Cat 3 600-volt rated device that includes multimeter mode, measures AC-DC voltage, up to 600 volts, AC-DC current, up to 10 amps, resistance, capacitance, temperature, continuity check, and diode check. Oscilloscope mode, 12-bit sampling at 1 megasample per second with a 200 kHz analog bandwidth. Data logger logs voltage, current, and temperature over long periods. Spectrum analyzer via app expansion. Plus, it connects wirelessly to your smartphone via the Pokit app, giving you a full-color display and multi-channel measurement capabilities. You can connect up to 4 devices at once. Getting started is super easy. Just download the Pokit app on your phone, power on the Pokit Pro, and connect via Bluetooth. The app interface is clean and easy to use. First, let's test the oscilloscope feature. I've connected the Pokit Pro to a signal generator. Here's a quick demo of the oscilloscope in action. The waveform is clear and detailed, showing the frequency, period, and duty cycle of our signal. And switching to multimeter mode, we can measure voltage with precise accuracy. Now let's put it to the test. I'll measure the AC voltage on this breaker, and it's reading perfectly. The interface is intuitive, displaying real-time data clearly. Let's perform a DC voltage measurement. I've connected the Pokit Pro to this battery, and as you can see on the app, it's reading 9.1 volt DC, which is ideal voltage for new battery. Let's test the resistance using the Pokit Pro. First, I'm measuring a 55 kilo ohm resistor, and it displays the exact value. Next, I check a 10 kilo ohm resistor, and it reads 9.87 kilo ohms, which is very close to the actual value. Now, let's perform a capacitance test. I used a 25 microfarad capacitor, and the Pokit Pro accurately displays 25 microfarads. Testing a 1000 microfarad capacitor also shows the correct value. Moving on to the diode test, the Pokit Pro displays a forward voltage drop of 0.55 volts, which is within the normal range for diodes. For the continuity test, I'm testing a fuse. The Pokit Pro app emits a loud sound, confirming continuity. The continuity check gives instant feedback with a built-in buzzer. Super handy for quick troubleshooting. Additionally, the Pokit Pro can measure both AC and DC currents up to 10 amperes. For the data logging feature, we'll monitor the temperature over the next minute. The Pokit Pro logs the data seamlessly, providing a comprehensive graph of temperature changes over our set period. After using the Pokit Pro extensively, I can say it's a game changer for both professionals and hobbyists. Its portability means you can carry a full suite of measurement tools without the bulk. The app interface is intuitive, and the wireless connectivity adds a level of convenience that's hard to beat. So, after testing the Pokit Pro, here's what I liked and what could be improved. Pros: super compact and portable, wireless connectivity, multimeter, oscilloscope, and logger in one. User-friendly app, rechargeable battery with USB-C, multi-channel support. Cons: limited bandwidth, 200 kHz, not ideal for high-speed signals. No physical screen, requires a phone. App modules like the Spectrum Analyzer are sold separately. In conclusion, the Pokit Pro is an impressive tool that brings laboratory-grade measurement capabilities into a device that fits in your pocket. Whether you're an engineer, technician, or electronics enthusiast, the Pokit Pro is a worthy addition to your toolkit. Overall, I think the Pokit Pro is a game changer for DIYers, students, and professionals alike. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, if you're interested in buying the Pokit Pro, check out the link in the description for the best deals. And stay tuned for my next video where I'll test it in more real-world scenarios.